Don't forget, guys, I link everything down in the description below. And don't forget to check out our USA made apparel at the Neeves Knife Co site. We also have stroppy stuff, stropping compound. We have knives on there. Very soon we're gonna have one of my new knife designs. So definitely keep an eye on the Neeves Knife Co site and all the other links down in the description. Like I said, I always link everything in the video, including sharpening supplies and everything. So this knife, I love this knife. My goodness, do I love this knife. I already liked the regular one. I actually gave my original one to another content creator. Shout out to Marine X. Definitely go and subscribe to his channel. They have a more compact version. I gave that one to him and it had beautiful micarta. I love that quality micarta. This one is the larger version, and I gotta say, man, I liked the original one. I like this one like 10 times more, and I loved the original. So this thing is just, it's gorgeous to me. It's the perfect size. It's literally like everything done right in a knife. It is a carry design, which, you know, his knives, if you're gonna get a custom from him, you're gonna be spending a lot of money. He does really, really good work. I've never had one of his customs, but I've been, you know, keep watching him for a long time. I might have tried some of his customs, but look at this, man. Beautiful backspacer. Look at that jimping. My goodness, titanium mill pocket clip, plenty of room underneath the ramp, looks great. Texturing on the lock bar. Love to see that texturing. That is how a lock bar is done. Then we have this hand satin spear point blade. Woo! In 20 CV steel. Now there is 5 different versions of this. There's a bunch of different options. So lots of different color options. There is a certain one I really wish I would have gotten, but I can't complain, man. This thing is so, so good. They did send this to me, so, you know, keep that in mind. But I'm just saying, if I would have bought it, I would have bought probably, you know, a different one because the color options are so beautiful. This thing, man, is so good. So let's go to the action, then we'll talk about what's really awesome about this. So one, the flipper tab. Great, well, perfectly jimped flipper tab. Nice placement. This doesn't have a strong detent, but it's really cranking out there very easily. So very reliable, it has a nice sound. The whack. You can push button or light switch. It kind of likes a little bit of both. The thumb studs are very, very well placed. So you can reverse or thumb flick or thumb roll. Yeah, these are good thumb studs. I like the height of them. I like the placement and I like the texturing. These are perfect thumb studs in my opinion. The flipper tab's detent, like I said, it's not super strong. I can fail it. So it could be maybe a little bit stronger, but it's so good, you know, and it flips so reliably that I love it. I don't even think I would tune this any stronger. But, you know, if it just came from the factory with a little bit stronger, I might, you know, it could be maybe a little bit better, but yeah, and I could tune that myself because it's such a small amount. Look at how drop shutty this thing is. This thing is damn near a guillotine. It's basically a guillotine. Yeah. Now, what's really awesome about this, it is slim and very wide here. So in the hand, this is mega comfortable. Mega, mega comfortable. You can easily choke up comfortably. This blade shape is super versatile. So this is gonna be good for utility cuts, slicing, choking up, bearing down. You know, even cutting straps backwards, it's not gonna be the most comfortable because you do have a flipper tab, but you can do it if you needed to. Gas station knife fighting grip, it's gonna be pretty damn good. The balance is really, really nice. This is just a wonderful knife, a wonderful knife. I like this thing quite a bit. Yeah, this is definitely one that I will be carrying and using. It's just such a good knife, man. It's like, it's got everything you want in a knife pretty much. Now, the sharp control and plunge grind is actually done pretty decent. Not actually, but they started here and it ended right here. So you do have about here to here of life to sharpen off. So you have room there. I prefer more, but you do have room. Look at that swedge, man. This thing is just gorgeous. 20 CV steel. You know, I have done edge retention tests on their 20 CV. And you know, it's done pretty well. The coated blades have a little bit of a lower HRC just because in order for them to coat it, it does go down. They start at a higher HRC and after coating it lowers it. So that's something they really can't do anything about unless if they raise their HRC even higher before coating, which I'm sure they could do, but I don't know. Anyways, but they did pretty decent with the edge retention tests that I've done on them. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. I do think they're maybe doing a little bit more of a consistent job, maybe a little bit better with their heat treatments on the steel. I'm not positive about that, but you know, it seems that their edge retention tests are doing a little bit better than maybe they did in the past. This thing is so comfortable. I can't express that enough. It's slightly contoured, but it's also slightly flat. So it's like the perfect amount. Just all around, man. And it's a gorgeous knife, man. Like I said, man, I personally would have probably picked the one with the blue accents. That would have been really cool to show off on the channel, or maybe even the copper one with the copper carbon fiber. But regardless, yeah, this is definitely one I recommend. If you guys are wanting a premium, good quality knife that's just got amazing action, man, it feels like the detent's just getting stronger and stronger, to be honest. It just probably just needed to break in a little bit because now this thing is thwacking out there pretty damn good. I'm definitely going to be carrying this thing. You're going to see this in a lot of videos. The only real complaint I have is that they didn't send me one of the other ones. That's the only real complaint I have. I wish they would have sent me the one with the blue accents or maybe the copper carbon fiber one. Why'd they send me this one? I love it. I'm just playing, but it would have been really cool with those accents because I personally am really into that type of that little pop right now, little pop of color. But yeah, I have nothing here for negatives, nothing at all. It's just too damn good to say anything bad about it. Work hard, stay tough. Until next time, peace.